Welcome to What They Talking About Wednesdays, and today I am talking about the Amazon Alexa app. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. First step is to go download the Amazon Alexa app in your app store. Then you go through the setup of linking your Amazon account. Then you're going to hit shopping list. And here you're going to see the opportunities for you to get rebates back. Some will have expired. You'll also see the ones that have already been paid out for. So there's one way to see the list. Then go up and hit savings. And that's another way where you'll see offers as well. Now remember, this is not cash back. This is going to be a credit to your Amazon account. Again, you'll see the list, go through, scroll across, hit that plus sign to add the items that you want to redeem, again, to get that Amazon credit on your Amazon account. Then you're going to hit the next screen, which is get paid at the top, and then hit redeem offer, and then take photo of receipt at the bottom. Of course, I don't have a receipt right now for me to scan for you guys, but again, hit the redeem, take photo. Again, I don't have a receipt for you guys to see. You'll take the picture of the receipt, and then you will then scan the barcodes for the products that you want to redeem, which again will load to your Amazon account. Get out there and start saving. Thanks for tuning in for this week's What They Talking About Wednesday.